It's not only preferring a Lamborghini to a Fiat. In fact, Phil Crosby would say it isn't that at all. Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Quality Channel, where we are raising the quality of the software being built today. The best is the enemy of the good, but good enough is the enemy of the pursuit of excellence. If you've already subscribed to the channel, I thank you. If you haven't already, please consider doing so and hit the bell below in order to be notified when there's new content. Having a quality focus is not the same as being a perfectionist. In fact, perfectionism is often an excuse for mediocrity. Look, if nothing short of perfection will serve, then no good will be recognized and nothing will ever be done because nothing is ever good enough. Accepting the imperfect is not the same as the mental shrug of, well, that's good enough for them. Because there's always a for them implicit in it's good enough, or it's good enough for government work, which is an expression of contempt for the apparent standards or lack thereof of quality in bureaucrats everywhere. Quality is a journey. It's the pursuit of excellence. Recognizing that perfection this side of heaven is not achievable, excellence or perfection can and should be pursued by every individual and team. Software professionals, especially software quality professionals, should have that quality focus. They should be always willing to improve. In fact, software quality assurance professionals should be recognized as those crucial members of the team whose job it is, who are dedicated to improving the overall quality of the performance of the team as measured by the products that they produce. If you've ever been fortunate enough to play on an athletic team or in a musical ensemble, let's say, where there's that one player or that one performer who just makes everybody else around them better, that's the kind of role that the software quality assurance professional has on the development team. So as a matter of reflection, if you think about your life, and let's say your hobbies, what do you do in your hobbies to become better? If the answer is nothing, or all of your hobbies are those that are passive in such a way that you can never get better at it, like scrolling through Facebook, then there's a lack of pervasiveness of quality focus in your kind of off time. And that's significant. A quality focus should pervade your life and should pervade your approach to living, just like it should pervade the organization and the activities of an organization. This channel is dedicated to quality, especially software quality. So if you'd like to have more content like this, then please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when more content becomes available. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment or send them along to us, and we'll be happy to answer them at a later date. That's it for me, for you, for now. I hope you have a great day and a great week. Be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.